Hi, compliments of the season to all. This is Cassie and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then please go ahead and press that red subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to press the bell icon right besides the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is at Cassie Mendonca. Oh, 2020, what a year have you been? 2020 has been the most difficult and the worst year for a lot of people out there, but for some it has been a blessing. And as we all know, 2020 has taught us a lot of things. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you things you could do before 2021, and these are certain things that I would personally love to do before 2021. And of course, I know life is unpredictable. No matter how much we plan ahead of time, we have to at times give in to life's own ways and accept whatever life throws at us. But still, I wanted to go ahead and share with you things that you could do before 2021, and I hope you like watching this video. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First and foremost on my list has to be gratitude, and here I would like to go ahead and take a few minutes and be grateful to all of you who have been watching my videos and who have subscribed to my channel. It means a lot to me. I guess I have 150 plus subscribers on my YouTube channel, which is a lot for me. And thank you for being so supportive and sharing my videos with your family and your friends. Yes, I was telling you, being grateful is something that you can start doing it if you haven't been doing it, because you are alive and living your life despite of all the mess that you went through. Then I guess this is the time that you can go ahead and be grateful for all that you have in your life, because not many have what you have. If you want, you can go ahead and get yourself a gratitude journal. If not a journal, you can go ahead and get yourself a simple notebook and do a daily gratitude list. Second on my list has to be making a planner for yourself. If you are someone who loves planning and who loves planners in general, but you cannot go ahead and spend that money on buying a planner, you can go ahead and make yourself your own DIY planner. You will get a lot of videos on YouTube or Pinterest, and accordingly you can go ahead and make yourself a DIY planner, which will help you in planning out things for 2021. And if you want to get yourself a planner, you can definitely go ahead and buy one, which I did. I did buy myself a planner from the Space and Beauty, on which I did make a video, and I will definitely leave a link of that video at the end, so make sure that you don't forget to check that out. Third on my list has to be keeping your space clean, tidy and cozy. And as we all know, most of us spend a lot of their time at home, so I think keeping your space and your surrounding clean and tidy is so important. Your space is clean, your mind is also clean. So I think this is the best time that you can go ahead and declutter all of your things, like your wardrobe, your stationery, and if you have that kind of makeup, you can also go ahead and declutter your makeup, your skincare. You can go ahead and add some warm lights to your room to give that cozy vibe. The fourth on my list has to be being stress-free. And I know that living a stress-free life seems like an unrealistic fantasy, but there are a lot of things that you could do in order to combat the daily stress. I mean, it's like if there is something that is meant to happen, will happen. No matter how much you stress about it, that will happen. It won't go away. So why not be happy for all that you have for now and not stress about the very next moment. Fifth on my list has to be fitness and health. I mean, if you are looking forward to get into fitness, or if you are looking forward to gain weight or lose weight, then I think this is the time that you can go ahead and start doing it from now instead of waiting for 2021 to begin. And the sixth on my list has to be creating a vision board. This is something that I really want to go ahead and do before 2021. Though things won't go as I visualize, but at least I will have a clear vision of what I want my future to look like. You can definitely go ahead and look up on Pinterest and get some ideas and create your own vision board or dream board. The seventh on my list has to be spend some time alone. Not always will you be surrounded by people around you. I mean, there will come a time wherein you will be by yourself. So why not go ahead and spend some time alone just by yourself and do what you love to do. For me, it has to be pampering myself. I love taking a good shower and I'll get into my comfy clothes, do my skincare, and then I'll just sit and relax for a while. I'll watch some of my favorite YouTubers videos, or I'll also go ahead and do some journaling or plan out the next day or read a book. Eighth has to be budgeting, and I kid you not, I am definitely not good at budgeting. I will spend all my money and at the end of the month I am like, where did all my money go, and I am broke. So I think investing a little time and planning your budget for the coming year can be really helpful. It is said, right, being careful with your money can help you in the future. I actually came across this thing that said the only way to save money is to spend less than what you actually earn. Ninth on my list has to be reading books. If you are someone who is looking forward in getting into the habit of reading, then I think you can go ahead and make a list of all the books that you actually want to read, whatever interests you, and then plan accordingly. And the 10th one has to be decluttering your phone. For me personally, I really have to go ahead and sit down and declutter my phone, because my phone is full of images, screenshots, selfies and all of that stuff. So I really need to take that time, and I will be doing that right after I'm done with this video. So take some time and declutter your phone. You can keep the picture that you really love and create a folder accordingly, so that it can be easier for you in the future to go ahead and get a certain picture or an image if you want. And the last has to be in the moment, because it is the only thing that is promised to us. We have no idea about tomorrow, what tomorrow holds for us. We have no, I mean, the past is gone. We couldn't control it. We cannot change it. And the future is unseen. The next moment is unseen. The only thing that we have now is the moment. Be in the moment, be happy, be stress-free. I know it's easier said than done, and it goes for me too, but I am trying my best to go ahead and do as much as I can, and I hope you do the same. So that is all I have for you today in this video, and I hope you liked watching this video. I had actually planned in putting out a different content for today, but you know what, I thought it's the last video of 2020 from my side, so I wanted to go ahead and do a nice chilled sit down kind of a video. So here I made this video for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope this video helped you in giving you an idea of things that you could do before 2021. Don't forget to please go ahead and share this video with your friends and your family members, and I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, don't forget to take care of yourself, be stress free and be happy, be grateful, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.